Hello, today I'm going to talk about my final project. The topic is communication. My name is Isabella Tascon. The evolution of communication. Communication has been changing since the human origin. We have tried to communicate between ourselves in different ways. Before, we moved our knowledge, experiences, and had thought different tools, for example, stone writing and printers. Now we move ideas through books, email, and social media. On the other hand, the way that people communicate with others has been changing too. 2000 years ago, communication was limited. People needed to do a higher effort writing letters and trying to talk with others. 40 years ago, with the help of technology, people can communicate long distance through phones. And finally, nowadays we can have contact with all the people over around the world with the internet help. Changes in social networking. Social networking has changed the way things are done. For example, people can meet others and his culture through videos on YouTube. If somebody is interested to know something about someone, it is not necessary to communicate with the person personally. They can consult their Instagram profile. The appearance. Thanks to the communication, people have worried a little more about their appearance. The image that people show of themselves to the world is more important than meeting people and exchange experiences. In the future, some of the predictions can be see what is in the picture. People will be able to control things and communicate without even talk or write something in a device. Just with a chip on the brain will capture the intention or thoughts of the person. Thanks for your attention.